Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make mirror a text box in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, go to a blank page. Now we want to make a mirror text box. Go to the Tools section and select the Frame Text tool. Then draw a text box. Then write anything to this text box. Now I am write some text. Then select the text and you can add more style like bold, underline, etc. Now I am select the text box. Then select the move tool and click the text box. Then go to the transform menu. Otherwise you can enable the transform menu. Go to the window menu and select the transform. Then click the rotation option and make the rotate 180 degree. Then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we rotate our text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.